如果我辟谣了，明天我就会上新闻。我会自己写我自己的新闻。
Just now when we did the search, when she's going around, then suddenly there's a change of body language, which shows that hey, the person is dead. Got one incident, she suddenly started to do a track and she found a handphone, a random handphone out of nowhere. So that was something that I know I can trust on this. She's very good at finding a lot of things.
Just now was a demonstration of a human search. Usually it will be at the checkpoints. The dogs are able to pick up scents of travelers moving, and they can search bags, and they'll search vehicles, and which is quite common in the checkpoint to find things.
一天下来，有时就会好像刚才那样，我们就会进操场做一些obedience training。然后当然是过后要休息一下，我们可能就会来到这里进行不一样的训练。就像你在教小孩子的时候，因为他们心态都是一个小孩子的心态，所以你跟大人沟通合作的时候，跟狗是完全不一样，所以你要换个方式来跟他们接触。为什么我会选择这份行业？是因为起初都是因为热爱狗，就想到警察里有警犬，所以当初我会加入警犬队的原因是。主要是这个。
I'll say he's pretty bonded to me. He's one of the very few dogs who, once they bond with the handler, he's very clingy and he always likes attention from especially me.
Obviously, as you all can see, she really loves me as well. I spend a lot of time with her. So if I do become a trainer soon, and then she will straight away retire, and then I'll bring back home. So yeah.